For the quickest and safest way to lift your Super Duty 2.5 inches while maintaining your factory quality ride, turn to ReadyLift's Smart Suspension Technology SST Kit. First, our solid plate steel 2.5-inch coil spacer extensions come with 2 solid polyurethane sound isolators. Two 2.5-inch OEM shock extension brackets are included that mount directly to your existing shocks. ReadyLift's 2.5-inch front bump stop extensions work with your factory bump stops. Our OEM-style solid cast track bar relocation bracket will correct your track bar back to factory specs, while our carrier bearing spacers will reduce the chance of driveline vibrations. Finally, we manufactured our 2-inch rear blocks and U-bolts to include the factory-style OEM bump stops as part of the casting. With ReadyLift's kits, you're guaranteed to maintain the factory ride quality your truck is known for.